Hello everyone. So in the previous session we have seen that x of n is equal to u of n, which is unit step signal, is a power signal. In this particular session we will solve the question number 7 and we will check whether the x of n is equal to k is an energy signal or power signal, where k is any arbitrary constant. Okay, so let us solve this particular question. So x of n is equal to k, where k is constant. Now energy E of a discrete time signal can be written as summation n equal to minus infinite to infinite mod of x of n square. Putting the value of the function x of n, it is n equal to minus infinite to infinite k square. So E is equal to summation n equal to minus infinite to infinite k square. So as k is a constant, k square will also be a constant. So I can write E is equal to k square summation n equal to minus infinite to infinite 1, and this value will be equal to infinite. So as the energy E is infinite, I can say that this particular signal is not an energy signal. Now let us check whether this particular signal is a power signal or not. So for that we need to calculate the average power of this particular discrete time signal. So P average is equal to limit capital N tends to infinite 1 upon 2n plus 1 summation n equal to minus n to n mod of x of n square, which is limit capital N tends to infinite 1 upon 2n plus 1 summation n equal to minus n to n, the function is k square, that is limit capital N tends to infinite 1 upon 2n plus 1 summation n equal to minus n to n k square. Now taking k square out of the limit and out of the summation, I can write k square limit capital N tends to infinite 1 upon 2n plus 1 into summation n equal to minus n to n 1, that is k square limit capital N tends to infinite 1 upon 2n plus 1. Now the summation n equal to minus n to n 1 is always equal to 2n plus 1, because minus n to minus 1 we have n number of values, 1 to n we have n number of values, and for 0 we have 1 value. So I can write n plus 1, that is k square limit capital N tends to infinite 1 upon 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. Now 2n plus 1 get cancelled out and I got the result k square. Now as k is a constant, k square will also be a constant, and k square always lies between 0 to infinity. Whatever may be the value of k square, it will always lie between 0 to infinity. So I can say this particular signal is a power signal. So from this numerical and from this discussion we conclude that any arbitrary constant in discrete domain is always a power signal. In the next lecture we will see few examples of neither energy nor power signals. Okay, thank you.